Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are red, black, and whoa, they're Iron Man gloves from Marvel. How cool is that? Tony Stark's Iron Man. Well, today, unboxing Montessori wooden toy game. It comes with some farm animals, some caterpillars up top, some vegetables. Look at that. That's gonna be awesome. Should we open it up and play with this? All right, sounds good. Let's do it. All right, let's open this up. Whoa. It's got a red wheel and looks like a greenish turquoise wheel. That's awesome. All right, take the top off here. Look at that, it's got some flowers, some worms, ladybug, birdies. Awesome. There's a bee and a rabbit and a butterfly. That's awesome. Ooh, there's all the good stuff. All right, let's start by opening up this bag. We got some caterpillars. We have a red caterpillar, a green caterpillar, an orange caterpillar, a blue caterpillar, another red caterpillar, a pink caterpillar. All right, and now we have a potato, a beet, a carrot. I know you know what that one is. A mushroom. This is called a white radish, and it has two different colored greens, a dark green and a light green. Ooh, a yummy looking onion. And a peanut. And look, a little farmer that's got a magnet on the bottom. And I think that's how we get these caterpillars up. All right, that's gonna be awesome. All right, now that we got the vegetables and the caterpillars out, let's get the farm animals. We have, up first is a horse, a pig, a dog. Do you guys have a dog at home? A cow, a steer or a bull, a sheep, a kitty cat. Do you guys have a kitty cat? A duck, a chicken, two baby chicks, and a turkey. All right, now that we got everything unboxed, let's start putting it in this Montessori box. So down on the bottom here, we put our farm animals, and up on the top is where we put our caterpillars and where we put the different vegetables. Each vegetable has a different size hole and we have to match it up to the correct vegetable. Will you help me do that? Okay, let's start with our caterpillars. How many caterpillars do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have a green one. We have a blue one, a red one, another red one, a orange one, and a pink one. All right, 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Now let's put our vegetables away, starting with this beet. Where should the beet go? Well, we have to find the right spot. Let's put it in between the green and the blue caterpillar. All right, next is the potato. Where should we put the potato? That looks like a good fit right there. All right, next is the mushroom. I wonder if that's too far down. Let's see, let's try and put it right there. All right, next is our beet, or I'm sorry, our onion. And then our carrot. And our peanut. And last is our, do you remember what this is? That's right, a white radish. Right in the middle. All right. Now, let's get our farmer to pluck out those caterpillars. Let's start with the red one. 1. Orange is 2. Pink is 3. Let's turn it around. Red is 4. Blue is 5. And lastly, green is 6. All right. Now, we're gonna leave the vegetables inside and let's match up all the animals on the bottom. All right, let's see. The first one looks like, that looks like a dog. I wonder if that's gonna fit. It does. The second one, does that look like the chicken? I don't know, maybe this way? All right, that's an easy one. That looks like a duck. Let's try that. That's right, yeah, we got it. Let's turn it. That kind of looks like a turkey. Should we try? It is a turkey. That one might be, I don't know what that one is. Maybe a sheep? All right, you guys are good. All right, turning it around. Let's see, that one looks like a piggy. Yay, it fits. This one is, what does that one look like? Maybe a horse? All right, and let's see. It's either the cow or the steer. Let's try the cow. Hey, it fits. Okay, our last two. Oh, this one looks easy. This is the steer. And this one is the kitty cat. All right. How many animals did we have? If we have 1, 2, 3 on this side, 1, 2 on that side, 1, 2, 3 on this side, and 2 more, 1, 2 on that side. How many do we have? Let's add them up. 3. Let's start with the big ones first. 3 plus 3 is how many? That's right, 6. And 6 plus 2 is, that's right, 8. And then 8 plus 2 is 10. Awesome job, guys. And how many vegetables do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and mushroom makes 7. That's awesome. And there's our animals. Well, thank you so much for helping me unbox this and put it together and play. I hope you had fun. I sure did. Well, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.